Hi friends, welcome. Nice to see you guys. Thanks for joining. Today we are covering Kottalam, the old waterfalls. There are three waterfalls in Kottalam. This is the old waterfalls. The other two we will cover in the next episode. Kottalam is in Tamil Nadu, Tangashi district. From Tangashi town it is about 6 kilometers to Kottalam. Tangashi is actually the border to Kerala state and it is just 1 hour drive from Tangashi to Kerala border. These waterfalls are situated on the Western Ghats and flows from the river Chittar. It is said this waterfalls has a lot of medicinal values because it is coming straight from the forest area. The water which flows down are later used for agriculture irrigation. Tangashi is very easily approachable by road or by rail. Tangashi railway station is there. The airport is quite far up. It is in Thoothukudi. From Tangashi town, every 10 minutes there is a bus to Kottalam. Once you reach Kottalam main falls, from there buses are available to the other two waterfalls area. During weekends and holidays, the crowd is much larger. This video was taken on a Monday. You can find people of all ages here. It is believed that this water has a healing power. Tangashi is a better option for stay. The rooms are good and at reasonable rates you get rooms. For stay I will leave details in the description. Just check the description. You will get all details there. Friends, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു തംസ് അപ്പും തന്ന് ഞങ്ങളെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു. The waterfalls here were closed down due to COVID, but from December onwards they started again. This waterfalls closes at around 7 in the evening, but the other two waterfalls it is open up to midnight. Friends, stay tuned for the next two waterfalls which is coming up soon. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.